presentation of the Youth Institute of Science and Technology's mission statement by our Class 2. So give it up for Class 2 with the mission statement.
The Youth Institute of Science and Technology is the name of our school, often referred to as YES. YES was founded in 2006 by the African Americans in the diaspora as the Girls Institute of Science and Technology. The mission of the Youth Institute of Science and Technology is to ensure that students learn the skills necessary to become scientists, engineers, doctors, nurses, environmental researchers, and entrepreneurs. They develop the leadership and collective power of girls through the integration and application of science, mathematics, and technology. Here is a curriculum called the Girls Institute of Science and Technology. The Youth Institute of Science and Technology provides exposure to university campuses, career development, and green technology such as solar energy, rainwater harvesting, biofood, and organic gardening. By learning to work together, side by side with my brothers and sisters in the diaspora, we will grow our nation's economy by establishing new partnership and new industries. By studying hard and gaining the right skills, we will be able to become the future leaders of Ghana. By studying hard and gaining the right skills, we will take the lead in making effective decisions that impact the national growth and development of Ghana. We are committed to truth, justice, righteousness, reciprocity, harmony, balance, and order. We are sponsored by the Addison Family Help Organization, INC of Atlanta, Georgia, Habesha, INC of Atlanta, Georgia, Africans for the Africans, Thoughts and Investment, the University of Massachusetts, Assemblies, Economic Builders of Atlanta, Georgia, and Garden City University of Kenya. We are continuously supported by Akosia Boateng, Franco Foyi Boateng, the Addison Family, Kofi Hansen, Grace Makwansa, Madame Efua Porter, Dr. Singwana, Nana J. Yabwa, Mr. Rekano, Mr. Usu, Madame Aso, Mr. Mako, and Bomani Teimba. We are the students of the Youth Institute of Science and Technology, and we are destined for greatness.
Yeah!